It has really been a long time since I've done a breakfast video, and I'm back with one today, and I'm also gonna take part again in the first initial food 2021 challenge, which is hosted by Sarah from Homes Sweet Holmes. Today we're gonna make a really nice and simple avocado and egg toast. Let's get started. So just as a recap, the whole idea of the challenge is to use as many ingredients as you can in a dish that begin with the initial of your first name. In my case, that is an A. So for this recipe, we're using some agave nectar, then some eggs, which is also known as anda, and we will also use a bit of, avocado. That's our main thing. So not a bit of, a lot of it. Let's get started. Now let me get you a bit of background about this recipe and how it came along. This is not entirely my own, and this actually came up when my sister called me all hyped up about the best avocado toast that she prepared. So I jotted all the notes. I asked her if I could show all of you how to make it, and here we are. Now the craziest thing is I have actually never tried something sweet like honey or agave with avocado toast ever before, and I would have never done it. It just goes so well, and it's one of those combinations that you don't expect to turn out the way it actually does. So let's focus on our egg first. It's a really simple fried egg, or what some people like to call it, a sunny side up egg. Now when I usually make my fried eggs, I make sure nothing gets brown at all. I like when my eggs are nice and pale because that's the creamiest for me. But my sister swore by the fact that you have to get the eggs a bit crispy on the bottom. So what you want to do is just put a bit of butter, get that on medium heat, crack your egg, and then cook that until that bottom has a bit of browning. You can go more if you want. But to make a good sunny side up egg, you want to make sure that the egg yolk is runny, but it's not watery. If it's watery and really thin, it's most likely raw. Season it the way you want to. I just add a bit of salt and pepper, and while that is cooking away, let's prepare our quick toast. I'm using some rye bread, and here is my avocado. Now avocados are to be blamed for so many kitchen accidents that happen every year, and usually it's because people have so many misconceptions on how to cut an avocado. So what you always want to take care of is that you are cutting around the seed and you're not cutting through the seed. Never do that. It's a really thick seed and you need some real superpowers to cut through that. Also, when you actually have the avocado cut into and you have the seed on one side, what some people like to do to get that seed out is to kind of strike that seed with the bottom edge of their knife. And what happens if you miss? There goes your thumb. What you can do is have a light tap, or what's even safer is you can just cut that into a quarter as well. Alright, so we have our avocado here. Not much to it really. I'm going to use a quarter for each toast. Just spread that out, mash that up with the help of a fork, season it with a bit of salt, pepper if you want, and chili flakes. Once you have that done and your eggs are basically ready, drizzle that with a bit of your agave nectar. Now you can also use honey if you want, or maple. And also earlier I roasted some almonds. Just roughly chop that up and then sprinkle a small bit over your avocado toast. And then finally top it up with your egg, and this is going to be a really great meal, really great breakfast, snack, whatever you want. And what's so good about it is how the spice from the chili flakes, the sweetness from the nectar, creamy avocado, creamy eggs, crunchy toast, crunchy almonds. I swear it goes, and you have to try it. Be sure to check out all the other recipes in the first initial food 2021 challenge. And if you want more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.